Hi viewers, you are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub.
The four closing entries are: 1. Close the revenue accounts. 2. Close the expense accounts. 3. Close the income summary account. 4. Close the withdrawals account. The first closing entry transfers the credit balances in the revenue accounts to the income summary account. Close the revenue accounts. In general journal form, the entry is revenue account debit, income summary account credit, to close the revenue account and create the income summary account. The second closing entry transfers the debit balances in the expense accounts to the income summary account. The second closing entry is income summary account debit, expense accounts credit, to close the expense accounts. The third entry is to close the income summary account. The balance of income summary account transferred to the owner's capital account. The closing entry is income summary account debit, capital account credit, to close the income summary account and add the net income to the capital account. The final closing entry transfers the debit balance of the withdrawals account to the capital account. The closing entry is capital account debit, withdrawals account credit, to close the withdrawals account.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.